Thirikari nene ri mihango-ini ya gukinyaniria tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere kundu gutiganite matura-ini. Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a imwe cia tabarira ici ni waki wa thoko ta mwena wa Kayole tauni-ini ya Murang'a na thoko ingi ri kambirwa na Gakurwe wadi-ini ya Gaturi. Kuringana na Jonathan Katha uria niwe mutabania wa mihango ya thirikari gitaru gia gatagati ga bururi, tabarira ingi irathie na mbere ni waki wa nyumba cia raithi mwena wa Makuyu gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Maragwa na Makenji Kandara.
Murandi wa Makuyu affordable housing, which is also doing very well. The contractor is on site. Ukiangalia wako around 19-20%. The ground wasumbua kwanza vile iko, lakini they managed. Na ukienda pale wale vijana wako hapo wanafanya kazi hizi utashangaa.
Ene Kandarathi maugite ni tabarira iturite mieke ya mawira kuri makiri ma muingi.
The project is at around 80% complete and we anticipate, God willing, resources available, we should be done with this project latest March.
We have a total of 220 units. We have 3 typologies. We have 3 bedroom, which is 60 units. We have 2 bedroom, which consists of 100 units. And then we have the studios. The studios consist of 60 units.
Gukiri uguo abitha uyu ni oritie muingi uthie na mbere kunyitirira thirikari amu gutire kiraniro na kimwete kuhingia kuri muingi.
Tunaomba wa Kenya wale wako na hera ama wale ambao hawana, hizi nyumba ni affordable. Ukichukua at 5%, ulipe deposit ya 5%, alafu you own that house for 30 years, ukilipa polepole. Sijui kama kuna mahali ingine utapata deal mzuri kama kushinda hiyo.
Irifotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.